I don't have another one. Right? He's got it. Hey, sweetie. What? Look at me like that. You enjoying your bird treat? You enjoying it? Are you enjoying it? Yes? Good birdie. You like your treat? Piglet? Yes. You're very cute. And I'm all out of treats. What? Hello. Hello, pretty. You're gonna have to release your grip on the seeds in order to eat them. What? I told you. I ran out. Eat your seed. Hello. You all had some. He was the one violent enough to take it from me. Yes, hello. 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 Hello, pretty. What? What? Yes, you're very pretty. Slightly aggressive when you have a big beak. What? Say hello. Hello. Oh, snob. Hello. George wouldn't run away like that. What? Say hello. Say hello, George. Hello. See? George doesn't run away. I have no idea if you're a male or female. Sup? Night, guys. What? Say night, Georgie. Night, night.